Hey guys, Sensei Tim Rosanelli. I have a great drill for you today. You know, when I was a kid, there was this movie called Kung Fu, and in the movie there was a scene where the student had to snatch a pebble from the master's hand in order to go to America. And I took that drill, and I think it's a great drill for teaching focus and discipline and really good concentration to the kids. So here's my students doing it with each other. We usually have them sit on the floor and one person tries to snatch a penny instead of a pebble out of the hand of the other person. And then you'll see me doing it with my students. Oh, there you go, got it. I told Lauren the secret.
I told her the secret there.
Oh. Could come at any time. It's gonna be like a tornado. Like that!
I got it.
Because I just go in there and grab it whenever I feel like it. You ready? It's coming soon. Like that. Oh, I like when they laugh. That means they're distracted.
I'm not distracted. I'm focusing on you.
Are you? You sure? I'm gonna wait until the perfect moment. Like that. You're tilting your hand. Got it. Okay, Dex, you gotta stop breathing so heavy. We're doing a video, okay? Hey, put that tongue in.